Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to brighten eyes in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Make sure the photo you choose has clear eyes that can benefit from brightening. Duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. This way you can always revert back to the original image if needed. Use the elliptical marquee tool or the lasso tool to make a precise selection around each eye. Hold down the Shift key to add to your selection if you're using the elliptical marquee tool. With the eye selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the Create New Field or Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Curves from the list. This will create a curve adjustments layer with a mask that applies only to the selected area. In the Curves Properties panel, click in the center of the diagonal line and drag upward to brighten the eyes. To ensure a smooth transition, click on the mask thumbnail of the curves layer. Go to the Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and apply a slight blur to the mask to soften the edge of the selection. To make the iris stand out, create a new layer and set its blending mode to overlay. Select a soft brush with a low flow and choose a light color that matches the natural color of the iris. Gently paint over the iris to enhance its color and brightness. Catchlights are the small reflections in the eyes that add a sparkle. Create another new layer, set it to overlay and use a small soft white brush to paint catchlights where light naturally hits the eyes. This adds a realistic twinkle. Zoom out to see the overall effect and make any final adjustment. If necessary, you can lower the opacity of the layers to achieve a more subtle look. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to brighten eyes in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy retouching. Bye!